a friend. If Allah come debunk am, now say Dorothy, all of us they make move with the travel. Just like right from time. Now say Dorothy, may you still find you want to do, but if not to go carry it as anything. On that faithful day, because if Dorothy sleep here, Torino people now they will testify. If Dorothy sleep this one kitchen today, tomorrow the opportunity, next tomorrow go sleep this one kitchen and certain they behave. So therefore, Dorothy decide say he go Caritas. Now say go meet Caritas people. No, he say na mother go Donisha. That place because now be today they do something. That place where from gossip file paper. After they come give her 1 year, they come try back give her. As he driver, he come to Torino, me dey Milan with my husband Oibo. She can't call me because me get simple acts. Before you see say I call the verse like this, you know say we not fit play for life. I don't verse. So Dorothy can't call me. I can't call my elder sister. Say sister, I beg, how we go do? Because my sister dey husband, my elder sister. My sister come say me no say na with children they stay. Oh, now say sister I beg because maybe one carry I go my boss for me la. But some of my friends go say no, not carry this guy to your Igbo place. Because when me do marriage, I know invite her, ask her. I know invite her because na bad.
Oh.
So now there, now me come back my sister. I will do the double shot for character. I can't for no. I'll see send you the picture. One of our friend has the girl they told me don't see settle down. I beg, babe, make it the stay. That one say with person they stay because they know his character. Say it's the thief. The shirt will not be my own. I know he got to be another person. Dorothy is the thief anywhere because you know say. Money not there, house not there, no better clothes. If you see who wear better thing, you want me you see farm. Now you wear be that. So now so my sister come agree, call the sleepy parlor. Now be this picture one send you. Now be this shirt one send you. Now my clothes you wear for year. Now me feel like this with phone. That I think even the see cream they wear, they tell the rob. Inside that place, because me know what they call them, because they call if I call them everywhere will cast. Now, so inside that place, my brother, sorry, say I mention your name, not before bad thing. No, my brother,
mention your name. And you
want to no, not before fear, no, no, what we not the what we not get. That my brother, Nabi King Oba. We are there, plaza for that. My sister, after I got to sleep, my sister, that parlor, now King Oba, because they say like him. Now I can say, okay, do now if you like carry. Now me make a knocking a bus, not knocking a bus from Madam.
Very good.
From there, he got to say, hey, I want drink. My brother King of Bass, money they can go buy Moretti, na Moretti should they drink. Or he want no. My brother come buy drink, we call the drink for bad. Give me money, that can dash me 20 euro. From there, they call exchange number. But the character can get be say na agbero anywhere where they do like man na that one can say he not fit na that one dress body but they can be friends. Okay, that one can see pass. On that faithful day the day Instagram I don't know Dorothy you come yo since for my life I never fight, but are stubborn for Europe. Dorothy now make me start to the fight. The year 2000, I remember because I don't remember all the old dates. 2012, 2011, Pastor Suleiman can come. Pastor Suleiman can come. Should they go Omega Fire? This bastard. As he go Omega Fire, first of all, the house where be monocale where they stay when his friends still put her. He can't go there, that one nowhere, that one called the hospital. He can't go thief that one cloth. Then they call her Osas. Osas, if you did this TikTok, I beg not first I call your name. Now Osas that they call him. He can't go thief that one cloth. They drag out. Now he call the way you get cloth over here. So from there we go there. Pastor Suleiman for night go they call Dorothy. He go they call Dorothy in the midnight around 2. Now I say, babe, why pastor go they call you around 2 in the midnight? He say, you don't know. He say, make cook. Now say around 2 in the midnight because Dorothy can give mekos for anything to survive that time. Really, he can't leave me. He can't go meet Pastor Suleiman. Around 4 to 5, he can't come. Now say, my sister, now food do not go cook for 2 o'clock in the midnight. Now so, the deliverance. Now so, not be deliverance. I can't rest. Other day, the crusade done the whole, all of us. Congo. I will reach Pastor Suleiman call Dorothy Asubaja come out. As he come out, he call Professor Tora say, Dorothy, you just there like this, and they look you like say you be human being. But the toto where you they give me what they do, now God toto. Say any man where fuck your toto, the man, the destiny, you don't kill him with that. From there, now be the king, I don't fight, oh. From there, Dorothy, it is a joke. We talk and we rest. You know, say the dog will put her for YouTube. Straight. The choir master will record the thing. The dog will put her for YouTube because now the fans, the single must find that thing come out. Dorothy, if I dey lie for you, make you come and call the bunker. Now the dog will put her for YouTube. Oh, person come share that, come give us for YouTube. Say the talk and say Pastor Suleiman heal somebody with person where get toto, goat toto. Now Dorothy come meet me say, babe, how you know you like what rest? I'll call your name, rest. Now rest got that for YouTube. Now rest got that say, like got me twice.
I dare your back.
Say rest, so because me and the boys is this matter where happen see today, we not agree each other for Torino because of this Dorothy. Now he got talk say, now rest go put her because someone go baba rest cash. I go say, babe, you sure? He said yes. Now we can go block this boy for club. Now I be the first fight where they say I the fight now fight. As my friend now, I must defend her. I can't go follow him. Fight the boy. The boy can't run. Because of that thing, since that time, me and the boy, we know they greet. We know they greet. We know they talk because of this Dorothy Asubaja. That one can pass. After that one wey say give me 150 oh, man at the listing. He say I never get what I do for him. Where they drive you for community? Who give you hospitality military? You when our friends abandon you. You know my in-law before. Now me go meet my in-law say I beg you no get money. Make this 1 year where they just still give up because the fact by me when she get paper. Make you know you're there. I beg daddy. That one come bring all the document because he have been working for this country. He get life contracts. He can't bring all the documents, come and come prepare her because of me. We can't give Dorothy. Based on who I trust as a family friend when I call her. We not follow her. I only follow her this where the brother day. We can't give her the old document, make her go. Now Dorothy tell renew 1 year. After that one, because he said that they bring beef for us. Bring beef, me not even know. Could you imagine those my in-law document may we give Dorothy may go do that thing? They go put her for lights. They can't begin to keep beef for my in-law neck.
So wicked.
Now I call this guy. After now you do this thing. He said no, he never know you do the thing finish. He give the man, he give one man the paper. Now he go, he don't know do one. My in-law can't they pay that day. They can't they take her for his salary. That one can't pass. Another one again. When he they talk after set and done. This guy that time when he did this thing, Caritas. Now that time, me and that boy, because I go check on here. Hey, just me, I not feel saga you, I not feel insult you. I go remember the day when we take play. I not go mind the waiting Dorothy the talks this morning for a live video. Say you tell her this, you tell her that because I'm not here for your mouth. Exactly. I must respect that fact because now me make you know Dorothy. Exactly. If you really gossip me to Dorothy, I leave you for God. So man, I leave everything. Because my regime, me and you will not quarrel. Not just understand it with television that because me at the cash cruise, I did 20-something years. I know say you should not go marry me. That I was young. Yes. I know put my 1 day. With that finish, I go. That's all. We got ready for Nigeria. No, mama can't die. As mama die, already my boy is capable. I don't ready for load. Based on say friend when me do all this thing for that I think they hear this secret today. You don't even support me when my mother say, babe, take my back pure water for you. Only waiting you only do your okay, mama may give us meeting. If mama can go the demand for gallon of oil, gallon of egbedi, gallon of all these things. For meeting, we want to invite you come mama bury her. We not go invite mama. Dorothy wait there. I go say, babe, me call the way me using my say, babe, take I support you with this thing. She never supported me. Now I can use math ask already. Me down now 150 they tell they do burial. Now they tell they do 7 days burial, be 14 days burial.
Oh yeah.
Now I can ask her and say, babe, how far? I they go Nigeria. Give me money, borrow me money. You not get to, but I see 150 give you. Now I say okay. Since you don't want to help me because me they help you. Now I collect that money. I can't go bungo. As I reach Nigeria, everywhere clear. She never ever ready to go Nigeria. I can't go first trip. This one where they talk. Me and this boy, when I call his name just now, we don't the wrong thing. So, but
Yes.
I know I can't tell this girl because not be everything I will tell you. We don't
Yes.
the wrong thing. I can't come out. My luggage, everything. I don't want to go details of that boy. My your cut me, you come out. My your they talk as he take carry the boy because you not rich. After everything, I don't do better. I feel I can't come back. This guy can't tell me say, I'll send you all my picture just now. When me tell they buy you my hair, see you my where the person here. When you not even get. Me, that time, I'll send you all the video. So, Dorotina, after I go for Nigeria, me and this boy don't they run things. Now, say, man, you let this guy know because they always use mask for this boy, say, bleaching, all these things. Now, because the thing go they pay me, because you know, send me the run things with that. Now, I call and say, Madam, see, me as normal friend, me and this person with the run. They said, let me see the brag, say me the follow person. Now, celebrity be this one. If me they talk about Nollywood actress, think of the year, not be that one. This guy come, he just spoil that boy for where I did. I couldn't imagine. I can't rest. I can't see buy ticket. Every 6 months now they go out. I can't still go bongo. Me and this person with the rotis. The third trip, now this one I can't go first trip. He got first trip, we not see because I not too like her way because he took the show himself. I can't come back. The fourth trip, she can see the Nigeria. Now Morocco they use Bangiri will be like mole boss F flat Morocco now they use this one we saying a big deal. Morocco allow where they reach us for 3 days me they use Lufthansa Italian flight.
When I share this video,
Now if we go Nigeria, now she come because it's where they go Nigeria. All my people there, me I know they stay hotel and they stay house.
Our tap.
This Mugu can't call me he can't tell me say ma I can't greet her. As a friend, I can't go. One of our friends want to do introduction. Hey, 1 minute.
Wait, yeah. I beg. There's another 2012. They say they YouTube. When Suleiman take professor to this Mogo, to this Ozuo, say he get goat to toe. But hey, and a day to before Pastor Suleiman professor for her, he don't go cook oil rice for Pastor Suleiman. And this is friend now because they say, what the pastor they call you for the next day? And I pastor can't tell no say sister get go to tell what mama. You got his head boy. Ube a platform on you want go Johnny. Eti. Almost what? Africa almost what? No you what? Ever get here that day. That one way never is 40 years old.
Hello, my people. Mokuna no verse. I beg. My family are friends. Family one born put every month no verse because I know say don't where this guy they complain this guy. I your daughter for only today. My clear the hair. All the allegation my enter house. Even though I can't go the back like dog, I don't talk my own.
Exactly.
So now so the thing happen. As he reach, because our friend want to do introduction. That friend, he dey Spain, a day. All of us can't go Nigeria because my conga can't greet us. I greet her, tell me he dey suit. Now one man whether they call money, now he carry the hotel for him. As me reach there, he say, babe, nah, not go stay us now. I like your company now. More with the board now. I say, but I never stay hotel. I know they like spend money. Money I go spend. I ready to use a bag of rice for my family. Maybe they eat because if me come for a junk, my family they feel am. A generator go there everywhere. Now say this hotel I know too sabi am. I go say okay, not worry, but I go stay this compound with you on one condition. I go carry my own. That's if I go carry my self-contained for the hotel there. That self-contained that hotel bellissima they take 50,000 a day. But based on say me one day, they can't give me discount of 10,000. I can't, but every day I can't they pay for the manager every day. So they go out, I'll they pay every day. But he can't get very rich. Now the manager can't even tell me say, since I go take for you and my family they come see me, they don't say me not be like her because if they invite man they come every blessed. They not be man will test sleep for hotel today, go test sleep tomorrow. If they invite her, they come steadily. So now the man can't tell me say, make a job all now. What it go happen every month? We go they calculate if na 300k or 350 I go they pay am. Because all this one every day one they pay, you go they confuse. I can say okay. Now they can't stop to they pay 10,000 every day. The brown ziggy way get hotel now our friend. So this guy can't do 1 month. You can't begin to call everybody for Europe. Wanna help me, oh? My sister want die, oh. Meanwhile, you go susu money when they give her make her go house. You don't use her to buy Lexus Jeep. You can't borrow one of our girlfriend promise money. You can't borrow this one money. If you go Nigeria, you go you do credit for everywhere. You can't go bongo. As he reach us, you can't go tell mama me go carry lapo money. Make it if he goes coin go pay.
Ew.
The mama na poverina can't go see carry lapo money. He go cook come. Me I eat 2 times so he dey cook all those dry fish. He dey sell dry fish. He go come, he go cook. No, the goose never see come. He dey come. My own come. Me know what that they use money to make us sell her. I call they sell my goods. Even with people who call the greet and follow me buy my own clothes. She know. Come talk now. Me at a big business. When the goods come, the granola tell you where put for inside, everything where put for inside. You go just call the workers. He never give you mama. Me say na house so be this so. You go just call workers. Take 1 gallon for Roro. You go tell Bellissima. Take this pass slippers. Oh yeah, you take this one. Now come and say, but you tell your man say you want to sell this thing. Now make you go send me the good Samaritan because I know where I for come. I go say, but you say you want to sell this thing. This hotel where you did, they give you for free. When you they dash the workers free. He said no. He go they do that. Say I no pass, I good pass. If mama now where they store the tea, put if mama go say I say something don't come off for. They go say ask how far. You go say Isha no I dash this one. I dash this one. If mama say they do you, I dash this one. That one come pass. As he pass, that my ass so. We can't go drop one boy where they cut you. That one still come Nigeria. They go in village. We can't go drop her for park. I will they drive along St. Savior. I come to and say March because it's when I come back. Because if I they go Europe, I go leave my luggage, some of my luggage for that guy house. I know the guy where they talk. My things. If they look me now, you know say I they talk. You cannot follow Dorothy do saga with lie. Yeah. I go leave my things for years. So when I come, I go call boys, make the call, bring a call for me. So now since I come, I never see him. More we all pass through the record store, more we see him. Now we take go. As we reach the record store, you never seen Dorothy before for a life. I can introduce them. Say, meet my friend when we gather come. He can't greet us. He will come, they can't give us drink. Now because they tell, because me and he get small crash. Now God tell us say you can't see me because in a popular person we know the one like come out, you know. Because say they come. He know they come busy. Now tell us at that time I still birthday was February. Now tell us say my girlfriend come by like say my girlfriend she Dorothy they do birthday. Make it come. Because say he go come. That on Sunday me get project when me they do. I no could remember say I tell her make it come. Me don't move. Me not go Nigeria. Go sit down like Dorothy. Oh. I can't go. Now where me day? For I do our now Dorothy can come and say, who you send me call, don't come oh. Now there me sure say they forget contact to each other. Yeah. Then the person where you say me come, he don't come oh. Now say who? He come measure and then I say not true. I forget oh, I don't remember again. Oh yeah, you entertain them. Me they drive they come. Now you carry for come, they're going to tell me, say, Dorothy for lie. That my children where you swear for now your head, now you take her down with your mouth because of you not have from when I rob your women who do now Dorothy Asubaja call me for back, say, babe, forget I can tell, not today back or Magolo, you know, got money. That's okay, not worry. Tell the waiter for bar, may settle them. Because Dorothy no know admitted they got my money. Yes. Once I never put my secret for her. Now he got really. Could you imagine this guy not the drink alcohol? When me come back, I can't see that they want come out. That they will come green, they can't drive come out. He with the band, they can't go because they come from show, they had a brush. When me go ask Madam, say, Madam, Dorothy, how much you can consume? When this guy call beef for me, because money when you not go pay, now so that they do it. He want to big guy. He can't go give Oga full anything. And that one not the drink alcohol. He can't do padenyam. He can't do barbecue. Onagbosa, onagbeyomoru.
But person where he say they bleach.
Now because okay, I can't pay the bar. I can't rest. That I can't go. The second time when he come again, now something he bring for me, I bring up for a brother for year. Oga, if not like on the bunker, he can't come when Dorothy I say me can't carry it. He can't lock dollar. I say na virgin. I say I want a pan. He call the shot. Elijah. He can't bring the teeth for me. That time, me I not too day like that again. You dey hear me so I not feel like we not too day like that again. Now that one come finish. Me no say they are to get in touch with each other. The man wey see the rescue people for swimming pool, Dorothy, you go beg for forgiveness or juju wey people don swear for you don too much or you don too commit atrocity Now you remember if you forget this boy wey you comot food for him mouth the boy wey if person enter swimming pool wey dey drown the Yoruba boy wey dey rescue them. Dorothy na I no know wetin happen for there. Na so fight dey fight for there akate for inside hotel there. Na so he with the boy come get problem. The next thing come slap the boy, come dey fight the boy. The next thing he don write Ozigi say no Ozigi call he dey beat the lodger you know say oge hotel must talk na. Yes, na so they say fire. I come dey beg this girl before that owner of hotel. I go say babe. Me at the pity person, this boy, you don't know whether he get other things to take sustain. I beg, forget this matter. Leave and not tell Ozigi. You can't go tell Ozigi. That very night, my brother, behold, now they sack that Yoruba boy for work. Because of me, God. But that boy want come out, he want pack it in. Dorothy, remember what he tell you? He said 100 years, not be forever. He said anytime when he catch you, if he na arm robber, you know, look your face 2 times before he go shoot you for forehead. Because now only way for the survive, now you remove your foot from up. Now what he tell you? Now I can say, show you the year now. Show you the year now. The boy can't come out. That one can pass. Famous Akaba. He can't carry for Facebook. He can't call hotel. He can't buy Padanyam. He can't buy everything. What they call enter his house, me don't go enter my house because my pikin there with me. My family they stay with me. They come they greet me. They sleep with me for that. He said me church reach 7 May for hotel when my own pikin there only self-contained. If that they fuck your mama for your present, they know they fuck me for my pikin present. Now there, Dorothy, I call you all the workers where they like me because they say I they talk my church. Now they call me say, come talk to your friend or the naked person as I reach there, behold. Famous Akaba, he sees the shirt, he sees the trouser, he sees the shoe, he remain only busters for that boy waist. Now that one they cry. Now say, what's happen? He said after he don't chop all his food finish, after Dorothy don't drink, smoke he said after he don't chop all his food way back finish, he not come satisfying to his satisfaction. Now he for that night. I call the beg Dorothy say, let this boy sleep. And my family there myself. This boy not fit come my place. That boy come enter road for bypass that midnight.
You hold on for there first. I beg. No, you hold on for a wait. I beg you. Yeah. Hold on. Osaga muwege wane sugia na domo warerero esunu. Osaga yuwege wane sugia na rerero esunu. Mommy, ewe jemegbo. Mommy, Redo. Anadwario, continue.
No, man, continue. Yeah. So the matter can't happen. He can't go. As he go, even this Dorothy Asubaja. Wonderful twist. The one will be super for inside. He does the fuck her.
Wonderful twist.
The one will be super, not be the senior one, the skin one.
The older.
Right, he does it friend down. A father like now disgrace see a type body. So now there the matter can't happen. So me and my friends, we many way go Nigeria. Instead all of us will see go Nigeria. Person will see he come he with the boyfriend can't go Nigeria. Dorothy go see the fucking boyfriend.
Hey. What you want
Dorothy go see the fuck that my girlfriend. boyfriend.
That's not great. Be a monkey.
Because they fuck that my girlfriend boyfriend. Now I go tell am say, may you stop this thing. He know why you care. He know why you care. So far, he knock anything knockable. Because they do. You thought they special like devil beasts. If you never see prick because you not circumcised.
Thank you for
You not circumcised. Okay. Now the matter got it.
You know what you do? Just silence your phone so that if they call you, they affect your talk. Just silence your phone here. Silence it. Waga video na me. Waga me. Audio organ no.
So now so the matter happen. After that, everything got okay. Got to say, babe, we still go see my mama. I can't say okay. Meanwhile, before we go down Nigeria, me not gonna use good belle. They follow this girl because 2014, he catch me. Dorothy do birthday. He can't invite me. I only come for Nigeria. That place, me dead there. I dead there. Doris loaded. Mona no verse. I call no. They not be forgotten.
That one on my ex. Doris loaded.
One girl will be Pat. He dead there. One fair girl where they Torino. I don't screenshot their picture. He dead there. If you not remember, my poster, may you see there. Will be 5. Before me come down, the guy where there with I be like say losers. That how they call parts. As the before matter tell Apple, it be like say the guy losers. He called they stay with Gordon for that small house where they dey. All of us come as we reach there. The guy don't fair do the hair. Before we come, he come be after birthday, he can't lose the air for our brother. All of us, they part of there, they joke. He has boyfriend, whether they call, where we get that picking, where there's 7 months when they go sleep with native daughter. That one which are they stayed there, that one you call that time.
He gets 7 months.
Yes, that one. Yes, wait, they go sleep with native daughter. Where be say, be Gabella. Dorothy, you don't enter the baroon before, when you dey cost my children. Go enter labor room for once. You say me fat. Now, but when I tell born 2 children, I be that. You never born, you lose your breast, don't for 4. Pikin never even suck am. Pikin don't suck my own. Pikin.
Now go vega like me. Matamugwa. Imatamugwa.
Everybody here they tell say the pikin is born. I not born. How the story whether they talk. Now me they tell now how it really happen. Take. So from there, the guy can't lose the hair. One of the least see my country people. Anybody where you know say, and they talk and if I say I bring my face, I bring back. Everybody they watch me now more than 3,000. Anybody where you know say since 22 years when I dey Europe, I don't thief your thing. I beg come and tell me you can't disgrace me.
Yes.
So now Dorothy, the guy can't lose the hair for our present. As he lose the hair, we still there parlor there. Based on say the rest they palmer there, they can't come out for evening. And me go come out the next morning. Me there or Iboas. As me want come out, Dorothy say the before where the guy lose. Say they take 2 lines for inside. Not be all. One of the list where say that if you with one, he said they take 2 lines for inside.
Oh. Oh man, now we be serious, young man.
He said that take 2 lines for inside the weavon. Say now people where call greet time. Now you take them. He said now people where call greet time. Now what you call the talk for there? Say now it's see farm. Before me go back, come out. One of the see friend though. One make me. I can't get too hard for this guy. Before me back come out for betrayal, they ready to go to Reno. This guy can go check my bag.
Jesus Christ.
You not go search my bag. As me come out for bedroom, not be the way I tell leave my bag, not be say be I not be pretend. I tell her, babe, you search my bag. He say yes. He dey find before they go now. He no know carry on. That place now I can't call my sister. I can't dey cry. Sister Yamumoji, sister Dorothy Mumoji. Now my sister can say, I see they look you so carry your clothes, make you dey come house. Rest for that matter. Dorothy no talk for my friend there, say na me carry her because we many for there. People want to call in here now. As they do, one brother will be boyfriend, friend will still call the bed. They call say, why you go do like this? I'm ready for that place. Now say me no fit sleep this place tonight. As ready for now that brother can tell me say even when I go pa my office and I see the boy, the brother, he come to say man, not worry. He get friend there. He come say man, come. The brother still come. I can't reach here. The brother can see search the bag because he no see anything. The brother still there alive. Now I go find her come. The brother can say he don't do. Now your friend mon arrest. They can't break. They can't carry me go to the station. I can't go. Now that day I vow not to near Dorothy Asubaja again. But we feel they play normal. Now inside that place, the boy will be given a bella mara can't call me. He said he don't know what they worry am. Make a no vex for waiting the embarrassment. The boy from my mouth to come, they can't even buy me recharge card. If not lie, I'm already alive. Make on the bunker. They can't buy me 10 recharge card for my mind to take rest. That place, me not rest. So if you say me rest, me not rest. I go call Nigeria. I go say they catch me thief for. I don't know as I want to do one. Now I can't tell my sister. My sister, I can't give her mama number, give her Dorothy number. He can't call her. Dorothy, see. Dorothy said, no, sister, no, now my friend, now he no talk like that. So now he thief the withdraw. He no talk. Now my sister can't call him mama. We want some more for you. Now him mama call the talk, say, no, I beg. You hear that part yesterday, or guy, no give. Now he come to say no, say no, not be waiting. He take me the talker for us.
Oh.
I say because now say as Dorothy don't debunk the matter, say not be me carry the with because we be 5 where they there. Me don't rest, but me not still rest. I can't rest for the matter. Now that day, now I swear for Dorothy say, as you catch me thief, so anywhere you go, they go label you thief. And you go cry your life, and as so tears you go cry the days of your life. Now make her any small thing you go to cry. Now that crack, now you crack there. Who can feel like me? When we moji. Now so he can't say that matter, he can't get my mind. I no rest. Inside that matter, when me stay away from her for that if we catch me, now I can't get belly. As he get belly, me no concern for her. But one of my girlfriend for that time, I can't tell me. I can't say thank God for her. Dorothy now, he can't go use the belly sleep. According to Amara, your ex-boyfriend who tell me the boy be not tell me. I call your boyfriend come Amara, where get it? Now call come and so. Now he tell me say that belle. Now when you go down Nigeria for first trip, when you come now you that belle you use and sleep with native doctor. Say before you go, that pikin good for scan. Say that pikin good for scan. As you come back, as you go back to scan, the pikin got that to Ibishile. That can tell you say you get Ibishile for blood. Before you born finish, you go burn the tree. So make them flush them. You know I tell about room or gonna kill you. Now flush the flush 7 months so. Method that not fire you. You the belle no reach 9 months. May you do labor like as I do. Now make you the cause people children who don't fear.
Jesus.
Now so the matter tell happen. As he don't lose that belle. Not be that way you dey lie yesterday say we call they confess. Confess. Me we not the step mama. You can't go call my girlfriend. Doris not dead. Because I don't feel the safety I can go answer you. 100 years not be forever. You can't go call Doris road they say me na I kill a pikin because of the quarrel wey me and you get na me kill am. That one no fit biara na based on say me and Dorothy dey play me and that one dey play that can't tell me. Now say me I no know one I no know two. Me kill Dorothy pikin. Amale he say he be get belle. Now I no even know say fair get belle. Inside that place we know they play now call Dorothy. Dorothy wetin I dey hear? He say no, na so not be so. Now say as he say okay, man, now you talk for too much. As you be so maybe you the enter train they come. Now I enter train they come because I know say I not do because me na fearless animal.
It's not that very
Now I enter train I can't bold. Yes. I can't go. As I reach all of the dog gather waits me. I can't wait because they talk the matter. As they talk the matter, Dorothy they push and go there, push and go there, push and go there because say Doris Sloan they can't tell me. He can't want me Doris Sloan they talk to enemy. Now that me I call the quarrel me and Doris loaded because we not gonna use brain. This one what they talk so we there like 20 something years.
Very
now because me and Doris Sloan they can't get problem. As you can't get problem, he can't threaten me, he can't threaten her. everybody come depart. That day I no sleep the no. After that day, I no feel return because say my sleepy ass. Based on wetin happen, me no want me happen again. He get one brother for there. That was I was young because he just like me. Me prefer to go sleep stranger house.
Yeah.
That to sleep the house. Now go to sleep that brother house. There I call the date the brother from there. That brother be the only person, anybody where there for my way, no say don't date me as he talk, say who cop this morning. May he come disgrace me. Only that brother now afraid for power before I come see my baby father. So now there I can't go sleep there. Now he hear Dorothy come here say I don't come out. From there, me and Dorothy slow there come they keep manners. When we can't go Nigeria now, when my girlfriend want to do introduction a day, we can't go. Doris let them don't go tell him mama. If mama no go ask questions, or your mama can attack me. Because of this picky matter. If mama come to me say they say me the fat pikin, now go try to explain. Mama no agree. There Dorothy call the quarrel with Doris. What's the happen for Europe? Why your mama go call they join you? From there, people call say man not talk because if me dey Nigeria, me they loyal to the call. Not be say I gentle. I can say okay, I can respect mama. From there, we can come out. As we come out, Dorothy dey suit. Me dey suit. My side. If someone go greet mama, I can't go. Now that I know mama house. The mama build 6 room. If they come for this side, the side of Sapler Road, you enter because I know the area. I know remember again. Mama build 6 room. If mama not there yet, as the mama just say I come, he say my pikin manage the small soup way day. Now mama can't do apple with that okra soup when meat's not there. He can't give me. I can't eat. He not there yet. From there, now mama can say, you not there. No, I not feel life. I go lie for you.
Oh.
This one a person where get pikin for Europe. Now the mama can say my pikin as be so more can go greet Baba. Me to say na normal area person landlord.
Hey.
We can go. We can follow their backyard. Be like say 3 years before their backyard. When we reach there, I can look the environment. Now native daughter house.
Yeah.
Now the native daughter can say, now this your pikin be this. Now this one be native daughter where go use but let's sleep with. No one of you. Old man, where reach to born you. Now he call the tag and say, now this man, now they do medicine, they can't give the roti. May they not kill you, may they not kill you. Now go and a man after that, now we call Komoto. As we they drive, they go.
Yes.
Now we call see where they cook because my brother they owe my money. I can't not get 2,000 naira for his wallet. You know if you get account.
Oh.
As me they buy food because I get picky for that. I must buy something to go give my picky for hotel because she there with me before I go. Now I go buy food. I grow for Okada fight there. My friend now agree the bitter. I can tell you why it. If they ask my brother, I beg. If you not let her ask me because of pride, broke and proud. He can't go ask my brother where best for Nigeria. Say, I beg you see 2005. Give me for there. Be quiet. That I can't give her. We can't go hotel. Now tell my brother say, I hope not be my money. Now you give her more. Now my brother say, now it's your money because now that will be my PA there. But he don't call Europe now. Now I can tell her, I pursue my brother. If not another person for leave that money, now say go collect that money from his golden. Hey, get. Now I can go. It take 5 days before Dorothy could pay credit of 2,500 naira. You where they cut out to me. The motto where be say carry where they give her susu money. Where they buy.
That native daughter part so. Here come waka.
After he greets the man finish, they call the talk because me not fit bear that order. Me call waka go answer because even na mo agbe ko ime ni ayare. Why we go me so mari ogo boy? Ina sikodao. Ina na atem ni atawo. Now we come up, but since when we come on, and that native daughter call they give Dorothy mama water will take call the bath Dorothy every day for hotel. He go put her job water before he bath. Do a good day. You send me that they cry, Oga, body don't struck, come on, body. We don't collect what he pass this thing, but we know they want come out for saga because I don't want rubbish. Now, so now the thing happen. The motto where they call the draw money or give my money or hey, the guy now robo guy. If they stay the same as with Dorothy for Europe with 3 Hollandis and before Hollandis, I not remember again. May go give him mama, he never go give her. Dorothy was forced go wrong sell the money motor for some South Africa boys wey be Yahoo boys wey dey the hotel. He sell am three because yesterday I mistake 1.5 because na first I take am. He sell am 3.5 because nothing like if you bring ojuju paper go fit answer you.
Yes, exactly.
3.5. Now we say sell am. No, meanwhile, before we want sell that car, me go my godfather side. I can't go my daddy side, Tony Kabaka. And I mean, they carry Dorothy Waka. I can't go my daddy compound, Tony Kabaka. We can't carry the motor go there. Now my daddy can talk say, this motor you because your wife they use Lexus 30. He can say this motor cliff we want seller. He go your buyer for your wife. Now he say in here. As we they go, this miss go the company say you know what sell. No be say if you don't sell, if they waka they go, they come collect the money for you. Did they fear? No say no. My dad did not be like that because I'm a nice person. Now we can't go. You can't go sell her for Yahoo boy. As we reach where Yahoo boy, they come go cash money for bank. This our friend, I can tell which friend go follow you go cash money for Yahoo boy. You don't know whether they carry people wait you. Yes. I can't see follow this. I can't go hotel. Yeah. As I reach the bank,
I bet when I block Anna Ogona, you say where should they do this one? The one where they do this ladies yesterday, you know they say. I mean, moderator, any comment we know where I not like block her. As far as I'm Miss Goldie, madam, I collect money from your hand. You mean, mommy?
No. I only cry. I can't say the way that you oppress people where they for talk and not like them.
Mommy, you go. As far as say, now Goldie, not give me money. Provided me that they disgrace her. Now disgrace her. Hey, continue.
So we can't go the Yahoo boy can't bring the money because they made that do transfer.
Yes.
My friend account for Nigeria. Now say which account they want do and put now? Yeah, now say you use your mommy and the mama now that money of the car. Now mama they call the cocoa they give her food because of money for lapo. Say yes. Something will come out for inside the car. Oh, the mama no say no level. Mommy.
Oh, let them say I see you. Let them say the money go, man. Let them say one more.
Now he got tell me say no, that is Fred where be a day where carry a go palmer for business. Now that one he trust pass your mama where born and I say no. If na me I for trust my family pass outside us. So forget friend though. He said no. As I thought to reach, because send them for a day account. If mama call the hotel, they wait us. Say we want bring good news. Oh. As we come, the mama say oh, I wait on we gonna die. Now me call tell mama say I transfer your day. The mama say, friend, when you reach road, see, you can go transfer 3.5 for that girl account. So every effort when they make for your matter, he just the Western. So you go Europe, now then mama go fire down. Say no, nothing to ride the bat. So only one place wait for this she picking money. You not go transfer for friends. Me don't talk what me want. Me can go fair go check my picking because now only that how I get that time. I can't go first check my pikin when I leave this morning, follow Dorothy go bank. That was the okay. Now, where me go check my pikin? Now the fight come the happen for hotel. For room 57.
Who got the fight?
I'll send the hotel room.
Who got the fight?
Dorothy got the fight in mama.
Oh,
Dorothy got the fight in mama. Because me got the mama.
The party cover on.
As he got the mama, they can't come and say, Dorothy, as the first thing be that one, sees the clothes. In the fight, as I reach there.
Yo, Tanoboa. Mona, they give you.
As I reach there, my brother, my mama, as I say, he don't need the mama. Now, there, quick. I can't carry the wrapper where they grant. I can't take over the mama. Dorothy, no, be a subaja. If you no beat your mama or you know, put her for your mama or you know beat your mama come out for room 57 for hotel bellissima for sapler or for bypass. Every cost where they cost my children go reach. But if you really beat your ma for hotel bellissima 216, Dorothy, you go there from one problem they enter another one. You not go see solution. So now say that one say apple. Now me call the mama I go say mommy Europe no easy. Mama say oh where Dorothy rabofi me Dorothy now then mama call the swear say as he do and so pikin go do he left no like better make her give her a lap of money. Okay he no need the Dorothy money again but money when go borrow when they use for Nigeria, make come give her the money. Dorothy, money not the grant. The man wey carry suit for am, he don't fuck Dorothy finish. He come here say different men they carry cost to that one quite abandon her. Now the same month, now the man go put money for a wife for a day ass head.
Jimmy, Jesus.
Dorothy now hotel money will expire. He not see money to pay. Me them, I don't know. Me tell they leave my own. Me them my own. Now there, Dorothy now come say he want come. Mama na see betrayal because he they find the source of my wealth. When they tell that day yesterday say that time Osas get money past me, but now you not still get me not silent killer. That day when you come my house, when you cost me 2 weeks, when you say my borrow you €100, not be once at a time I will drop give you. I have €5,000 for my room. A day I must two customer hair reached 4. Me when get hard work they chop every day. You when got the fan line for TikTok, they convert the money. You want to use a body compare me with the crest. Which money you get?
Guys, please share it. One of the gift, but gift today.
Now so Dorothy beating mama. After I beat mama finish,
3,000 people are working there.
I don't know the context of the mama. Mama can really cry that they just not gonna hear be. His sister wey senior whether they call mama, that one they cause her. You know they respect her. People wey know, who now know. That one they cause her say, what you can go do for Europe? His sister after I beat mama finish, his sister can say, you not there among of people whether they can't for Europe. You kukuma you sit down with us for Nigeria. Mom will not send Nigeria you there.
Mommy. What gift man? I'm not supposed you want tell. Now they give you now live gist. You know what be say I record them. This is a live gist.
What I say, okay. Nah, now you cook my with that one called a quarter.
They give you a live gist. What gift man? Now wrong.
Because now you cook my yourself Nigeria, more we know the one way you take. They call the quarter. His sister way small. Your sister way me say me see. Now because of that, his sister me give my pikin the name. Now the same name that they bear. That is my sister way born for 17 years. So no care. Wait to survive. Now go take carry belle. Miss God, go they carry another people children. You don't go carry and a pikin to do pikin.
Okay, your sister don't born. Your sister get pikin.
You don't the one where just 17 years, their last born.
You don't born. They still live. They still live.
That one, his sister when he see senior, he got 2 children. You know they post his sister. Why you know they post your family? Why? Only the photo shoot where you do your mama. Now you the post. Post your mama. No bell. But now tell Bonovi me. Usually me tell respect here I can because woman money I'm waiting at the end of who waiting at the barum
Yes, you are.
So I small sister, whether they call it call they cry. Me not the beating mama again. That one call they cry. That one call they cry. I can't hold the small girl, may not they cry again because of the love I get for the small girl. Now I take on give that sister name to this my boy. So because that small girl very humble. Now so that one take pass for that. After that one pass, Dorothy no fit do too much for Nigeria. You don't run.
Oh, where I go?
As he run, because no the fit do because no way. Wahala survive. Mama no mighty pay 2,500 naira 1 week no borrow. Night run. This guy run. Dorothy no be today they do me. He say na me they do you. This guy run. He don't know my source of living. Me not they tell her my secrets is where they cash me thief. Me you know my anger where they cash me thief for. But we they talk. But I not call free body for Dorothy again. Dorothy go reach abroad. He can go call the owner of the hotel. When they first tell me say they pay every month. Since now 5 months I want do. He come to say make that they monitor me oh me want run. Say me want carry their money run oh. Say they never know me oh. Say na Papa Gino na me marry oh. Me not get anything no level. Before me you come for project where me go. They don't lock my door when I never check out. I still get extra 2 months to stay. I can't go meet there for reception. Who locked this door? He said, now order from the owner. Said the one way they may not reach a month again. Make I pay the money. Now I said, now that one. He said, yes, not a problem. The owner knock everybody because Dorothy don't shake their mind. Say me one wrong. When they break, I go say, I they call if they break, I go pay the money. So they come back. The money where they grant, because every month will be told. It can be 350. I can't go back. I can't go withdraw the money. Skin full now, Dorothy. You come. I say money dead Diana. Money na water. Now I can't withdraw the money. I can't give the manager. The manager can't they look me. He not talk. The evening of it, or Ziggy, a power yera go wa talk me. He can't call me for evening, come guest room. We can't sit down. He can't tell me, say, man, no verse, so I had to react. Say, they can't open up, say, now call from Dorothy. Say, me want carry their money, but the surprise say, as they talk, me, the money fall out. Now say, Daddy, Dorothy know they betrayed me right from time. Now say, as you see me so, I know the big person join team. Now say, Daddy, you say, man, start on the pay every day again because you still get too much I want to. I go pay.
Let's go, come on.
Now the man come to say, no, make I still continue as I tell they pay every month. They want you to try my faith, but I'm not disappointed.
No.
The man come pour for inside the money. I could remember he can't give me 20,000 for inside that money again. He said, I got to recharge my phone. Say, now good person, now you see me put. Even as they still tell me, say, this girl talk this thing for my body. I not see talk bad about her. I can say, Daddy, thank you. Only what I do, I not call Dorothy, tell Dorothy. I only post after she don't reach Europe. She come because they call me. She come they wait for me to check out. I never come out. I can see they take picture for the compound. Now I can't write her. As the day when I see them on Facebook, say no, I can't sing, parable sing. Say no, I still there here. After them, me can call Europe. After I call Europe, one of our friends where they radio. My beautiful sister, where they cry for, where they beat me for, so say they are too there, they do me, me go they make her follow and make friend. I don't feel do me for you, even mama will born me because me and you, not be you and me and he get problem. Now you and he get problem, you go solve him out. I your one man can carry your email limit where be say na road I see you, na road I'll leave you. Now there, now me that girl want do picky birthday, he can invite me from Torino. I only come back for Nigeria. Now you return back to radio. As I reach that place, I see everybody, all our friends. I'm not great, Dorothy. Dorothy said, "I mean, they beg her. Dorothy, you not beg me. Say, may I forgive you? Say you betrayed me for Bellissima. Say, may I forgive you? I not forgive you. I not forgive you. May you no soon with the never wish were over. I can't forgive her, but I can't use long spoon to follow this guy. They since then. You may get him with your that one, it can't pass.
Yes.
This girl, because she can't get problem. Now she can't get problem. That one friend where they Joe, he can't tell everybody how friend will donate for her. She go they look me now. I can't say okay, I was part of it. Me do he never reach a week. Now they hold me.
Yo.
Who na they here? Now they hold me. When did they talk say na joke na me na manyash?